VizorTube presents itself as an app that pays users real money for watching short 30-second videos. The claim is simple and extremely appealing. Spend 5 minutes a day, watch a handful of clips, earn virtual coins, and withdraw cash through PayPal. With millions of downloads and social media posts showing supposed earnings, it looks like an easy side hustle at first glance. The app's system is straightforward on paper. Users watch up to 10 videos daily, earn V-coins, level up their account, and unlock withdrawals once a certain balance is reached. No selling, no skills, and no upfront payment. For anyone scrolling through side hustle content, this sounds almost too good to ignore. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling or promoting this product. Everything here is based on public information and common warning signs of misleading marketing. However, once you look beyond the surface, several warning signs appear quickly. The VizorTube domain was registered only a few months ago using Namecheap, a registrar commonly used for short-term or disposable projects. The website runs on basic Cloudflare SSL protection, which only encrypts traffic and does not indicate legitimacy. The privacy policy is generic and template style, offering little clarity on how user data is actually handled. Public reviews raise additional concerns. On Trustpilot, VizorTube shows a small number of reviews with a surprisingly high average rating. When you read them closely, many are posted within a short time frame and use nearly identical language, such as very easy to use or amazing experience. Several reviews are extremely short and overly enthusiastic, which is a common pattern associated with manipulated or incentivized feedback. The biggest red flag appears when users attempt to withdraw earnings. Multiple reports describe reaching the minimum coin threshold only to face new requirements at the last moment. First, a higher account level is needed, then a referral quota appears. Each time users get close to cashing out, the conditions change. In some cases, users claim they initiated a PayPal withdrawal and never received payment, followed by complete silence from customer support. Independent security and scam analysis tools also paint a troubling picture. Scam Detector assigns VizorTube a very low trust score, flagging potential phishing risks. Despite this, the platform collects personal data, including names, email addresses, and payment information. There is no clear explanation of how this data is protected or monetized. The business model itself does not add up. If millions of users are watching videos daily, the advertising revenue required to fund payouts would be enormous. Legitimate reward platforms pay extremely small amounts per video because advertisers pay very little per view. VizorTube's promised earnings simply do not align with real advertising economics. Another key issue is the lack of verifiable proof. Despite claims of successful payouts, there are no confirmed screenshots showing PayPal transaction IDs, receipts, or bank confirmations. What you do see are vague testimonials and referral links, which primarily benefit the platform rather than the user. Taken together, the pattern becomes clear. VizorTube appears to function as a data collection and engagement platform rather than a genuine earning app. Users generate ad views and metrics while providing personal information. When it comes time to withdraw, artificial barriers appear and communication stops. With a newly registered domain, suspicious reviews, shifting withdrawal rules, an unrealistic revenue model, and no verified payment evidence, VizorTube carries a high risk. Anyone considering it should be extremely cautious and avoid sharing personal or payment information.